Utranaz now has for sale a new 2019 Sermac model Zenith 5Z42 AG9L10-194-80 truck mounted concrete pump. This pump has a maximum output of 194 cubic metres. It has a 42 metre, 125 mm, 5 inch, 5 stage multi-Z placing boom, which comes complete with twin wall pipework and squeeze valve. The pump is supplied with 2 radio remote controls and has a 600 litre hopper capacity with aluminium cover and work lights, a 1000 litre water tank with a high pressure water pump, retractable hose and lance controlled pressure washer. It is also fitted with a 680 litre hydraulic oil tank and auto lube system. The pump is powered by a chassis mounted reduction unit with a dual mounted PTO system with variable displacement pump and gear pump for auxiliary circuit. It has 4 hydraulic stabilisers, the front RX opening and the rear swing out. The complete pump is mounted onto a new, unused 2019 Mercedes Arox 4151 left-hand drive 8x4 32-ton gross vehicle weight cab chassis fitted with a Mercedes 510 brake horsepower Euro 6 diesel engine. The complete unit is painted white and is offered with complimentary delivery, training and a full warranty. It is priced at £395,000. Contact us today to arrange a viewing, demonstration or for further information.